What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you a secret website where you can use to generate your Veo 3.1 videos. We are going to be making your use of the Veo 3.1 model. We are going to be using it to generate your videos for free. And guys, this particular video we are going to be generating won't be having any form of watermark on it. So if you want to know this particular website, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright guys, I'm going to make this video as short as possible. Now, this is the link on the website we are going to be using. I will pin the link in the comment section. Just check it out. Now, once you come here, you can sign in with your I think it can also accept temp mail on this particular website. So now you can once you log in, it bring you to an interface like this. You're going to click on create new. So once you click on create new, it's going to bring you to this other side. Now once you're here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on this generate. So once you click on generate, you see it brings you to an interface like this. Then you take note on this side. Now you're going to click here. Now you're going to select the particular model you want to make use of. So let's say for this I want to make use of Veo 3. Now you can use any other agents. No, I'm going to make use of Veo 3 for this. Now on this side you see here we have prompts. You're going to add the prompt you want to use here. Now I'm going to so I've gone ahead to add the prompts I want to use. So this is the prompt I want to generate. So now on this advanced, you see advanced here, you can now set the aspect ratio. Now the model you want to make use of, you can select it here. Now the latest, now we're just going to, let's say I want to make use of this. I'm going to now on this, you can select your aspect ratio. Now disable prompt is fine. Now going to from here, everything here has been set. What you are going to now do, you are going to see on this side where you have to see here, you just come to this side and click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to automatically bring in this prompt over to this side. Now the next thing we are going to do is to now click on generate. So once you click on generate, it's going to start generating. And take note, for this particular website, you see video generations has daily limit. It's going to give you this prompt here. Now this notification, video generation has daily limit. Now currently they haven't really specified, okay, this is the number of videos per day, so you can just keep generating, and once you hit the limit, what you just need to do is just to sign out and log in using another different account using, like as I said, you can make use of temp mail here. So now once you log in to another, you can now continue your generation. That is how you go about it. So let me just wait for the video we just sent to finish generating. Guys, if you want to know, you can see my video has finished generating, but as if you are not going to know what you're going to do, just come, you can see under preview. Sometimes you can come under preview and you see it. But now if you check under the console, you check console here, this is, I'm not going to, since it has already finished, I will come to console. This is where you will see the results. Now I'm going to now come over here. You see I can now download the video. So you can see it has generated the video, 8 seconds video for me. So can see is downloading the video for me. You can see the video is downloading. So now that is just it. Now I'm going to be playing this video immediately after this. So guys, I want you to try this particular website out and tell me your experience, what you think about this particular website. So the next video you are going to be seeing is the one we just generated. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.